had a team of 6 that had graduated from our leadership program, and they spent a year and a half researching it and creating a business case to present to our executive team. They spent 6 months coming up with the right plan, and that was that HR was the only one that would have access to ActivTrak, and that it was to be utilized on a scenario basis where managers, if they could prove that they had the KPIs to support that somebody maybe wasn't performing to their optimum, HR would dive in and look at the situation. I'm grateful for the ActivTrak team and the consulting that they did for us to make sure that our data was healthy before we even rolled it out. We implemented this now for a year. I'm the only one that has access to the reporting. I have a team of IT experts that help me analyze the data. It's on a very case-by-case scenario that we're utilizing it. And as I've rolled it out, it's been very slow because I wanted to understand it for myself.